Welcome to Top Maths. Maths is easy. It just needs practice. Practice and practice.
तो बच्चों 14 sum. Find the coordinates of the center of the triangle if point D -7 6, E 8 5 and F 2 -2 are the midpoints of the sides of triangle. बच्चों D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. In this situation, midpoints के coordinates दिए हैं और हमें ढूंढना है centroid. Centroid क्या होता है? This is the point of intersection of all the medians. Right? So G is the centroid. But how to find centroid? You know centroid formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. See how to solve. Let D, E, and F are the midpoints of side AB, side BC, and side AC respectively. DEF के हमें coordinates पता है बच्चों. Let A having coordinates x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. G be the centroid. Let G be the centroid. G के coordinates x, y. ठीक है बच्चों. Now you know D is the midpoint of AB. Use midpoint formula for finding x1 and x2. See, you know, -7 is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. 6 is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. -7 is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and 6 is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Take 2 on this side, you'll get -14 equal to x1 plus x2. Suppose this is equation number 1 and 6 to the 12 is equal to y1 plus y2. This is our equation number 2. Okay, students? Now, you know, E is the midpoint of side BC. Point E is the midpoint of side BC. Therefore, by midpoint formula, 8 is equal to x2 plus x3 upon 2 and 5 is equal to y2 plus y3 upon 2. Take 2 on this side. 16 is equal to x2 plus x3. Equation number 3. And 10 is equal to y2 plus y3. Equation number 4. F is the midpoint of side AC. 2 is equal to x1 plus x3 upon 2, and minus 2 is equal to y1 plus y3 upon 2. 4 is equal to x1 plus x3. Minus 4 is equal to y1 plus y3. Equation number 5. Equation number 6. बच्चों adding equation 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5. You will get minus 14 plus 16 plus 4 is equal to x1 plus x2, x2 plus x3, x1 plus x3. 1, 3 और 5 का मैंने एडिशन किया. 16 minus 14, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is equal to 2x1, 2x2, 2x3. Take 2 common. x1 plus x2 plus x3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 का वैल्यू आएगा 6/2 मतलब 3. Suppose this is equation number 7, students. ठीक है? And you have to give equation number 3. Okay, बच्चों. You got x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3. But we know x1 plus x2 plus x3 कितना है? देखो x2 plus x3. See, but x2 plus x3 is equal to 16. Right? x2 plus x3 कितना है? 16. तो ये वैल्यू इसमें रखिएगा. x1 plus 16 is equal to 3. So x1 कितना होगा? 3 minus 16, that is minus 13. Put this value in any equation. जहां x1 है वहां put x1 is equal to minus 13 in equation number 1. क्या मिलेगा? minus 14 is equal to minus 13 plus x2. So minus 14 plus 13 is equal to x2. तो x2 कितना मिला बच्चों? minus 1. Put x2 is equal to minus 1 any equation जहां x2 है. कहां है x2? देखो 3 में भी चलेगा. So put x2 is equal to minus 1 in equation number 3. So 16 is equal to minus 1 plus x3. तो 16 plus 1 is equal to x3. तो x3 कितना मिलेगा बच्चों? 17. ये मिला हमें x1, x2 एंड x3 बच्चों. ठीक है. Similarly, we can find y1, y2 and y3. See, adding 2, 4 and 6. Adding equation number 2, 4 and 6. देखो 12 plus 10 plus minus 4. 12 plus 10 minus 4 equal to y1 plus y2, y2 plus y3, y1 plus y3. 22 minus 14, 22 minus 4, 18 is equal to 2y1, 2y2, 2y3. Take 2 common, students. y1 plus y2 plus y3. Dividing by 2, you will get 9 is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3. But you know, y2 plus y3 का वैल्यू कितना है? 10. But y2 plus y3 is equal to 10. So 9 is equal to y1 plus 10. So y1 is equal to कितना होगा? 9 minus 10 minus 1. Put this value in equation number 2. Put y is equal to minus 1 in equation number 2. So you will get 12 is equal to -1 plus y2. So y2 is equal to -12 minus 12 plus 1 होगा ना, उस साइड जाएगा तो it will become 13. Again put y2 is equal to 13 in equation number 4. Put y2 is equal to 13 in 4. क्या मिलेगा? जहां y2 है वहां पुट कर सकते हैं बच्चों. 10 is equal to 13 plus y3. 10 minus 13 y3. तो y3 कितना मिला? -3. अभी हमें x1 मिला, x2 मिला, x3 मिला, y1 मिला, y2 मिला, y3 मिला. So by centroid formula C, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. वैल्यू रखिएगा बच्चों. x1 क्या था अपना, देखिए -13 -1 plus 17 upon 3. क्या होगा? -13 -1 होगा -14 plus 17 3 upon 3 that is 1 and y is equal to क्या होगा? y1 क्या है? देखो y1 है अपना -1, y2 है 13 -3 upon 3. तो 13 minus 1 12, 12 minus 3 9, 9 upon 3 which is equal to 3. तो लास्ट में हमें क्या लिखना है? सेंट्रॉइड के कोऑर्डिनेट्स g having coordinates 1, 3. So these are the required coordinates of point G, students. Understood? क्या क्या किया हमने? हमने तीनों वर्टाइसेस के कोऑर्डिनेट्स ढूंढे. कोऑर्डिनेट्स ढूंढने के बाद सेंट्रॉइड फॉर्मूला यूज किया. तीनों कोऑर्डिनेट्स ढूंढने के लिए हर जगह पे हमने मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला यूज किया. ठीक है. और उसके बाद इक्वेशन 1, 3, 5 का एडिशन किया, 2, 4, 6 का एडिशन किया और हमें x1, x2, x3 मिला, y1, y2, y3 मिला और उसके बाद हमने सेंट्रॉइड फॉर्मूला यूज किया बच्चों. सम थोड़ा बड़ा है बट सिस्टमेटिक वे से आप इसका प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको आ जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? क्लियर?
Thank you for watching Top Maths.